In this video, you will learn how to calculate average, median, and mode in Excel by using statistical functions. Let's get started. Here we have sales figures for 15 employees. Let's take a look at the concept of average. Average typically refers to the arithmetic mean. It is the sum of values divided by the count of values. So here we have 15 values. And when I highlight them, you can see on the taskbar that the sum total is 120,600 and the count is 15. If you take 120,600 and divide it by 15, you get the average of 8,040. Now let's use the average function in Excel to make the same calculation. I will go to cell E4 and we'll start a formula with the equal sign. Type in the average function, open parentheses, then highlight the 15 sales values that we want to calculate average for. Close parentheses, then hit enter. 8,040 is the average sales amount for all 15 employees. This is also the same amount that we saw on the taskbar. Let's take a look at the concept of median. In an ordered list, median returns the middle value. We have a list of 15 sales values here, and the median is 7,700. How do we know this? Well, 7,700 has 7 values in the list that are greater than it, and it has 7 values in the list that are lesser than it. Thus, it is in the middle of the list and it is the median. Now, let's confirm this by using the median function in Excel. I will go to cell E5 and start a formula by typing in equals, then type median to specify the median function with the open parentheses. Next, highlight the 15 values that we want to calculate the median value for. Close parentheses, hit enter. The median of this list is 7,700, which confirms our earlier determination that the median was 7,700. Let's look at the concept of mode. Mode returns the value that appears most often in a numerical list. In our numerical list, the value 7,500 appears 2 times, while all the other values in the list only appear once. For example, 6,600 only appears once, 7,700 only appears once, and 9,400 appears only once. Let's see if we can confirm this mode calculation of 7,500 by using the mode function in Excel. I will go to cell E6 and start a formula by typing equal, specify the mode function by typing it, then open parentheses, highlighting the range of values that we want to calculate mode for, close parentheses, hit enter. You can see that the mode calculation returns 7,500, which confirms what we determined before. I hope this video has given you a basic understanding of how the statistical concepts of average, median, and mode can be calculated in Excel. I would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, please give the video a like if it has helped you. And finally, turn on post notifications to be notified of new videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay inspired and keep learning.